How to change gender on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. You can see here the profile details. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here, scroll down and go to basic info. Here in basic info, you can see here the gender. So okay, the gender is male. So if you want to change it, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the right side of this basic info. Tap the edit button. And now you can see here the gender section. So you can change the gender into female, male, non-binary, or you can tap the more option. So okay guys, I decide to change into non-binary the gender on my Facebook account. So this is an example only. And after that, tap the save button on the upper right side on your screen, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the gender on my Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.